Hi everyone, this is Joe Canary. I'm going to record a short series of screencasts for you experimentally to show you some of the capabilities of Eclipse that will help you with programming this semester, as well as to highlight particular parts of the homework assignments, their architecture, and specific little facets that you may not have noticed on the first pass with regards to Homework 0 and Homework 1. I'm going to start off today just by installing Eclipse so that we can experiment with this screencasting and you can see me start from scratch. I am at the Eclipse download screen and I'm sitting on a Macintosh right now, so I'm going to download the Mac version of the Eclipse Integrated Development Environment for Java developers, the smallest stripped down version of the IDE for Java. And given I'm on a big fat Mac, I'm going to download the 64-bit version because I'm on a 64-bit machine. Now this particular version of Eclipse, which, let's see, I'm downloading from HEAnet here in Dublin. This is a version of Eclipse that is specifically for people doing Java development. My Macs can automatically unpack it, and then I'm going to move it into my applications folder. If you were doing other kinds of Java development, not just desktop applications or command line tools like we are doing, you might download other versions that are pre-configured. For example, if you're doing enterprise development with databases, server-side stuff, you might use this version for EE developers. If you were going to be doing anything in C++, you might use this version. If you might be doing something with modeling and UML and the like, you might use this modeling tools version. Or if you just want everything that lets you develop everything with Java, programs based on the Eclipse platform, plugins, everything like that, which is typically what I do, I use this last classic version down here. All these are based on the same core, and in fact you could build any one of these from scratch, so if you so desired. I'll put away that, and I'll open up my downloads folder, and in it I should find a directory called Eclipse. That's the one I just downloaded, and I'm going to move that into my applications folder. Actually, this might be the one I just downloaded. Let's see. Let's check the dates on it. Today at 11:23. Yes, that's the one I just downloaded. The other one was not. So let me put that in my applications folder, and I will get rid of the other one I put here. So let's throw that one away, and we'll rename this one to something other than Eclipse 0.1. I'll just leave it for that for now. Okay, I'm going to run Eclipse for the first time now. So that you can see it looks the same for me as it does for you. And once I'm sure that works, I will stop this particular screencast and start up another one so as to download Homework 0 and put it inside of Eclipse. So let's make sure this runs for the first time properly. I'm going to use an empty workspace initially to run it for the first time. This is the default workspace location on a Mac. You could pick a different default workspace location if you desired. In general, anytime you run Eclipse for the first time, or anytime you choose to install new plugins or upgrade plugins, it's always a good idea to use an empty workspace to do so. So there's my empty Eclipse. There's nothing in it at all here. And it didn't give me the welcome screen because I opened up a workspace I had already used before. So I'm going to stop there, and in the next screencast I will make sure that my Eclipse is up to date, and I will install homework 0.